Is this what you're looking for?
Hey, this is exactly what I was looking for. A WAGO 221 Series 3-pole connector. But how did you find that so quickly?
Easy. I have an 887 L-Boxx Mini 221 series from WAGO. Not only is it conveniently organized, it also comes fully stocked with either 221s or 2773 wire splicing connectors.
I see it as compartments for 100 2- and 3-pole lever connectors and 25 5-pole 221s, all for 12-gauge wire, along with 4 mounting carriers.
Oh, but that's not all. There are 3 other L-Boxx options for you to choose from. The Mini 221 series for 10 and 12 gauge, the Micro 2773 series, and the Mini 2773 series.
We already showed you the Mini 221 series. The difference between that and the Mini 221 series for 10 and 12 gauge is that it comes with 2, 3, and 5-pole lever connections for both 10 and 12 gauge wires with mounting connectors.
And like the 221 Mini, the Mini and the Micro 2773 series come with a number of different variants of our push-wire 2773 splicing connectors.
These are the perfect organized space saver that any person can use, whether you're an electrician or in the field or a DIYer like me.
Along with WAGO's 887 series L-Boxx,
packed with 221 and 2773 wire splicing connectors, make it another convenient 2 for Tuesday. Our website has all the information you need on our 221 and 2773 connectors. Just go to www.wago.com/US, click on Products, then Wire Splicing Connectors, and scroll down to learn more.
And if you scroll all the way down, the final box you will see will give you some information on our L-Boxxes. Click on the Learn More button to see the breakdown of each L-Boxx option. Happy Tuesday.